Okay, this is 1. Okay, and the remaining is okay. Got it? Okay. So this is for velocity. What is the for velocity? Yes, as I have already explained. Okay, for velocity means this. Okay, and this is V naught and Vi. Okay. Okay, because it is a vector. Not sorry. V naught is okay. This can be right in this. This is T. Sorry. Okay, that was equal to this. Gamma dt is equal, beta is equal to
dt over.
okay. This is equal to this, where what is beta? Gamma. Gamma is 1 over V over C square. Yes. By putting this value here, so that becomes this, and this become gamma. Sorry, this is dt. Okay. Derivative of t with respect to t will be 1. Derivative of dt with respect to dt 1, and this will be x with the x dot. You may write as gamma can be taken common, and that will be x dot. That will be gamma 1 V. Okay. Okay. Any problem up till yet? Okay. For momentum, what will be the for momentum? When we multiply mass with the velocity, then that will be a linear momentum, and that will be m naught. Yes. V naught Vi, and that was m naught gamma. What is the V naught? Or you may say that gamma 1 and V. Yes. And this is okay. Yes. Got it? Yes. So P alpha will be, yes, this is reduced norm. This is M1V or M. Okay, okay, got it? यहाँ तक कोई मसला? That is P square. We have to prove it. Okay. How we may prove it? Yes. Yes. P alpha is not equal to P alpha prime because P will transform into P alpha prime as a vector. We know that because it has a one tensor indices, note kar lo. Because it has a one tensor indices, so they will be not equal. They will be transformed as a vector. Okay. Since this has a one tensor indices, so it will be transformed like a vector. One tensor indices or one free indices, you may say that, one tensor free indices. So this will be transformed like a vector. Okay. So that's why they will be not equal. Okay. But yes, but their length P square will be equal to, vector is transformed in such a way that their length remain the same. Okay, under all type of transformation, their length will remain the invariant. Okay, and so they may write in this form. Okay, column will be contract row. Column means that will be a zero rank tensor because alpha is contracting with alpha, beta is contracting with beta. Both are at the mean. Yes, got it? Okay. I think it is clear. Okay. Under transformation, they will remain invariant. Why they are invariant? Because length will be length will be. Okay. If one is a rest frame, if P alpha is moving frame and P beta is at rest. Okay, if one is moving and one is at rest, P alpha is MP. Yes, P beta will be in rest. So this will be a rest mass. Here M naught and P will be 0 because it is in moving frame and this is in a rest frame. Even both are different, but their dot product will be remain invariant as I have already explained. In moving frame and in rest frame they will be treated the same. Okay. Okay. So P alpha that will be, this is rho M P this is minus M multiply M square minus P square. Okay. One result will be this. You must mention that M is equal to M naught 1 over V over C square. This is moving mass and this is rest mass. Why that is difference? Here that both are moving, so that's why M. Here is M naught? Because they are at rest. Okay. M is a moving frame and M beta is a rest frame. Okay. So got it? Similarly, P, yes, P beta, P beta. This is rho indices, so this will be M naught P M naught 0. Yes, because minus, why there is no minus? Because when we multiply a 0 with minus, if you are confused with this, you may write in this way. Okay, because covariant will be a minus. Okay, M naught 0. That will be M naught scale. Okay. Yes. And this will be equal to this. Got it? If I say this equation is 1 and this equation is 2 and this equation is x. Okay. Putting 1 and 2 result in x, M square minus P square will be M naught square, or E square minus P square will be M naught. Okay. Actually, here is a C. We have all things we have discussed in the non-natural unit. Okay. So I think that is very simple. Okay. Actually here C is multiplying. MC square, actually here is a C square. Okay. But in natural unit I have removed the C. So but this C is present here. So this will be a C square. I mean MC square is energy. So that's why E equal to okay. In natural unit, actually that is in the natural unit. In a natural unit where C is equal to H cut equal to 1. I have taken this. Actually this is E equal to M C square or M naught 1 okay, got it? I think